In this video, we'll learn how to turn a Google Sheet into a live API using Google Apps Script. This allows you to share and access your spreadsheet data programmatically. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to use as your API backend. Click on Extensions, then Apps Script. This is the Apps Script editor, where we'll write the code for our API. If needed, you can change the app name. Let's call it First App Script. By default, you start with a script file named code.js. You can rename it or create additional files as needed. Here's a simple script to create a Get API endpoint that fetches all rows from the active sheet and returns them as JSON. Modify the code to fit your data structure. Now, let's deploy the script. Click on Deploy, then New Deployment. Select Web App as the deployment type. Provide a meaningful name for your deployment. Ensure that the access level is set to anyone with the link to make the API publicly accessible. Once deployed, copy the web app URL. This will be your API endpoint. Paste the URL into your browser or a tool like Postman to see your API in action. You'll get a JSON response containing the data from your Google Sheet. Congratulations! You've successfully created an API using Google Sheets and Apps Script. Feel free to explore and expand this functionality based on your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!